We're now going to take a look at the replace method. This is a great method to know. It allows you to replace values in your series with another value. All right, so let's look at the color column for a second. So here are the values of the color column. And let's say we want to replace the word color with a U. So the way to do this, and if you just press Shift Tab Tab, you can see that the first value is to replace. So what do we want to replace? We want to replace the string color. And what value do we want to replace it with? Well, we want to make it color with a U. And so we do this, you can see it is done. So again, this does not do work in place. This is a new series, a new copy in your memory. You can do this with numbers as well. So here is score, just so that we can see that. Let's just go ahead and replace 7.1. That occurs twice in the first 5 with something that we can easily see, 999. So you can see that. So that works. Now I want to show you a little trick here. So you might think, let's say we have this new series of genres. So here are the values over here on the right hand side. So it's a string. And if you might think, all right, let's just try to replace adventure with maybe just to shorten it up with ADV like this. And if you see this, well, it doesn't actually work. None of the adventures have been replaced. This is because Pandas is looking for the entire value called adventure. So your entire value must equal adventure exactly. Now, so it doesn't do that. It hasn't found that in here. Yes, you can see a substring over here of adventure. And the way to do this is to set the regex parameter to true. So we're going to take this as a regular expression. And now you can see it has changed. So regex is a massive topic. It looks for patterns within your string. And there's an entire part of this book, several chapters that are dedicated to regular expressions. It's an important topic. So I advise you to hold off really on using this regex equals true until you learn more about regex itself. This is it's going to take a while to learn. But anyways, that is how you could do a substring replacement by setting regex to true. Anyways, still valuable to replace single things for now until you learn a little more about regex. So that is the replace method.